Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 4 of the weekly Leetcode Premium Challenge. Hit the like button and subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Today we're at 1429, first unique number. It's a solved problem, so I probably have a video somewhere. If I mess up too much. Okay, you have a queue of integers. You need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. Implement the first unique class. Gives you the objects of the numbers in the queue. Show the first unique, return the first unique integer of the queue and return -1 otherwise. Okay. So we can only add objects, right? So we can only add objects, so that means that we can only remove things from the queue. Okay. So how do I want to write this? So that only changes when we have it. So I mean, I think this is relatively reasonable, right? And basically, you just have maybe something like self dot nums dot is equal to nums, right? Maybe self dot f is equal to collections dot counter of nums, self dot nums maybe. So that just gives us the frequency, right? And then maybe like a index, right? So index is equal to 0. So basically all we're doing is just keep track of the index of the number in which we care about. And then here in the first unique, so if, so while, yeah. So while self.index is less than length of self.nums and self. Okay, so if this is the case, and self.nums or sorry, self.f of nums or self.nums sub self.index. So if this is greater than 1, then we just self.index increment by 1. Otherwise, then we just return. So if self.index is equal to length of self.nums, then we just return -1. Otherwise, we return self.index or self.nums of self.index, and we are done for add. And then add, pretty straightforward, self.nums.append value, and then we just do self.f of value increment by 1, right? We don't have to care about anything else. Basically, the idea here, and hopefully it is right. Oops. Yeah. And hopefully this is right, is that, yeah, not that bad, right? Pretty fast. But yeah, but the idea here is just that the invariant is that we just kind of, the key part about this is the invariant. And the invariant for this is that we only move this pointer forward. The self.index, we only move forward. And as a result, that means that you only look at each number in the array once, right? And that means that you know, going from left to right or whatever, you only look at it once, and that's it, right? And once a number becomes non-unique, it doesn't become unique again. So that's why you can kind of do that and add. It just, you know, so yeah. I'm curious what I do last time. I actually don't remember. Well, I did it like 4 years ago, or 5 years ago now, because I don't even remember the year. This is kind of the same idea, but I just implemented a deck instead of an index, and I didn't use a counter, and I just kind of, that was, I guess back then I didn't know how to use counter yet, I suppose. But yeah, so in 2020, Larry, we did mostly the same thing. I don't know why I click on this opens up to the right instead, but okay. So the last time I did this, I used a queue, which is the same idea. So we just kind of basically do the work on add instead of thing. But yeah, so I'm happy that I kind of, I guess, did it another way today. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so what's the complexity here, right? This is O of n. This is technically O of n, but honestly O of 1 amortized, right? Because like I said, index can only be incremented n times in total. So yeah, and add, you can see that we just do O of 1 thing. So pretty straightforward. And yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Go next. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.